Hello, dear audience and honorable guest. Good day to you all. I am Mohammad Mushikul Haq Mukit from MIC3ST University, showcasing these presentations on behalf of my two co-researchers, Mr. Tanmay Choudhury, Faculty of Edith Cowan University, Australia, and K.M. Kutubuddin Romel from Mercantile Bank Limited, Bangladesh. We research on innovation in financial service applications mechanism. Well, uh, Actually, this paper suggests a new framework based on RAD system to improve the current delivery mechanism or the applications procedure of the credit card system for financial organizations in Bangladesh. The best part of this financial research can be devoted to its hands-on approach toward the innovative solution. It can be fits any financial. In this paper you will see in this paper there is outline. Number one, the introductions. Number two, the theoretical background. Number three, qualitative molding for credit card applications procedure. And the following here is sub point, that is: A, informations assembly for qualitative modeling; B, informations gathering for quantitative modeling; 4. Applications of RAD in credit card application service. 5. The case study innovations credit card application service. 6. Process innovations through RAD. 7. Conclusion. Well, in introductions, the contemporary researchers have stated innovations as the generations of new product, service, idea, or organizational setup that have improved the current setting by using sequence of consecutive stages of search, assortment, development, and implementations of process or improvement. In this paper, the role activity diagram RAD based workflow modeling has been used to create a new generic model for credit card applications process. Case-based semi-structured interviews have been used to collect data to find out the current bottleneck, unwanted augmentations of submissions process, and currently implemented by the bank past researcher have clearly supported. Using RAD based model when the underlying organizational structure have complexity and high resource usage like bank, RAD based models can provide a better understanding of the decisions made on real time to improve service delivery for the end users. In this paper, the role activity diagram based workflow modeling has been used to create a new generic model for credit card applications process, and case-based semi-structured interview have been used to collect data to find out the current bottleneck and the unwanted augmentations of the submissions process. The role activity of diagram. The academic researcher have used the several methods to model delivery process and interconnectivity with in entities in recent past, like the directed network graphics and etc. Actually the past researchers have identified the methodical allowance and quantifiable analysis to RAD models, and which lead to discovery of process and bottleneck, documentations of cross-functional boundary glitches, and focus the discussions about the automations of procedure. Qualitative modeling for credit card applications procedure. The role activity diagram RAD has been invented to simplify and efficient modeling of system collaborations within any organization context. This paper has used this methodology to identify, remedy, and formulate any enhanced system delivery process for credit card applications apparatus. Table 1 describes the basic notions and markers used in our RAD model. It also clarifies the complex graphical descriptions and microprocess applications of it. The table 1 is divided into 4 column: marker, RAD portrayal, and mechanism and case example with brief descriptions of core elements of our RAD model. Marker is the name of the particular element. Also, it is the brief portrayal of the mechanism. RAD describes the internal work. In this flowchart you will see the current credit card applications process diagram. In this diagram, this is the mechanism. In phase 1, the pre-applications procedure total time up to 56 days. In phase 2, the post applications procedure total time up to 116 days. And phase 3, it will take delivery mechanism total time up to 19 days. And in the consecutive, like figure 2, the RAD phase 1 pre-applications procedure, and the figure 3, RAD phase 2 and 3 post applications procedure and service delivery mechanism. totally modified and improved delivery mechanism. In this figure, that is for RAD for the improved delivery mechanism. Here, yeah, the flow chart, you will see the third party contractor, then it will go customer, then it will go call center, then income desk card, then manager card, then credit checking, then outgoing desk card, then upper management, then customer, and customer will get enjoy the total. The case study of innovative credit card application service. The case study discussed in this paper focused on the current credit card applications procedure followed by the government and non-governmental bank and financial institutes in Bangladesh. Most of top-level executive of bank whom we have interviewed has emphasized on the massive need of process development through rapid innovation in this sector rather than the infrastructure investment. We also added the current paper-based system as one of the most common cause of customer dissatisfaction since early 2010. The financial institutions have divided their work in three phases. The first phase consists of pre-applications procedure for the credit card service. Five parties involved in this stage: the steering the customer, from customer, the third party contractor, branch desk, lower management, and the middle management, and followed by the first stage in is this the post applications procedure. Here, the process innovations through our AD in 6.1, the direct communications with the clientele. 6.2, reducing the duplications of work agenda. 6.3, change of sequence of role tasks. 6.4, all the interactions with calls or email instead of paperwork. 6.5, using the centralized credit rating system. In our research paper, you will get all this in elaborately, but for the time we are shortening our present. In the next slide, that is the conclusions. Actually, in this paper, the current practitioners can use this model to reduce lead time and inconvenience of the clientele a lot. This paper tries to change that the view by proposing an innovative solutions for a basic financial service. Credit card industry has been a booming financial industry on a booming developing economy like Bangladesh. This paper suggests a new framework based on our AD system to improve the current delivery mechanism or the applications procedure of the credit card system for financial organization in Bangladesh. The outcome of the paper established that the current applications procedure of credit card service can be sliced in three phases: pre-applications, post-applications, and service delivery. The proposed methodology is generic enough to be used as other purposes, such as performance benchmarking or service duplications by other financial organizations of the world. Thank you for your precious time. Your attendance and discussions are highly appreciated. If you have any queries and questions, feel free to drop a message to Tanmay Choudhury, um, Edithcon University, Australia, and you can reach him by his email e.choudhury@ecu.edu.au. Thank you for enjoying these presentations and stay with me. Thank you so much.